Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Your Hik Connect account is active and the target device is added. Next, you sign in and open the device details. This reveals the serial number and status. Once done, make sure firmware is current and you have local admin privileges on the recorder or camera. Now navigate to Settings, right arrow Network, right arrow Advanced. This is where encryption password options appear. You need these items ready before attempting retrieval to avoid lockouts and unnecessary resets. You access the device locally using the Web UI or Hikvision SAT tool, then log in with admin credentials. Next, request the encryption export or password retrieval feature. The device generates a temporary verification file or code tied to the serial. While waiting, note the time-limited nature of that file. You then upload the verification file into Hik Connect or the device manager as instructed. Make sure you follow on-screen timestamps. Expiration is common and will force you to recreate the file if delayed. You apply the returned encryption password into the device's security settings and save changes, then reboot the unit to ensure the key is active. After reboot, confirm remote live view and playback in Hik Connect. If connection fails, check device time and network, because mismatch often blocks verification. If the temporary file expired, regenerate it and repeat the upload. As a last resort, perform a controlled physical reset using manufacturer steps, since that erases settings but restores recoverable access when other methods fail.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.